Looking for a career as a diesel tech? Then you've come to the right place. Stick around and we'll tell you why you should choose Midwest Peterbilt Group. We've been around for 70 years and are constantly growing the number of dealerships and collision centers in the Midwest. Tired of working in the sweltering heat of summer? All our shops are air-conditioned.
Oh, how are you today? I hear you're looking for a career.
I started with the company some years ago as a diesel technician. Just the opportunity arose to be a service manager, and I've been running the shop for almost 2 years now.
We value our employees. All our MPG diesel techs get regular hands-on advanced training from Peterbilt at our Midwest Diesel Tech Academy in Sioux City, Iowa. In addition, our service managers have years of expertise and knowledge to grow and mentor their employees. You might find your new career in our body shop and collision centers, or as a member of our service advisory team. So why choose Midwest Peterbilt Group? Take a look. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Noah.
Hey, thanks for coming in today. Really looking forward to seeing your application online. Remember, go to www.pbtruck.com/careers. And again, I'm really excited about what we have to offer all of our new technicians. So looking forward to seeing your application.